we okay to go out there?
You bet.
Kind sir, are we okay to go out?
Yes, sir. Just let me know what pattern you want to do.
Oh, I don't care what pattern. We're just going to trim a plane real quick.
Yes, sir. Taking off flaps. And gear up.
You got to do mechanical adjustments on all the way down. It's still climbing. We're going to be landing.
Yes, sir. You got it.
That full down trim is still climbing. Yeah, that's probably why it's not flying the same as it was before. Yep. Taxiing out.
You got it. Landing from the lake. Landing. No, it's okay. Just leave it there.
Okay. Get out of your way.
You're not in my way. You're not in my way.
Oh, we got it.
Oh yeah, look at that. Woo.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Nice smooth landing. That's all I like. All right, let me go and pick her up. Quicker, pick her upper. Yeah, she's in one piece still.
All right.
Look at these fellas. This is the peanut gallery. Well, mister, did you see her fly?
No, I just got here.
Look at
All right,
that.
come take a look at that cowling.
Cowling? That's an engine.
Man, that is
There's an engine bust.
That is really nice.
It's beautiful. You betcha. If you take the cowling and you paint the firewall,
Yeah.
she'll look fantastic.
So where are you going to paint? When are you going to paint the firewall?
I got some ideas, you know. All right, she's deactivated, sir. You can touch her all you want. That's a 480.
What do you think about painting it black,
No, silver.
silver?
Yeah. Or I'm gonna get these thin plastic plates that are already colored silver. I'm gonna cut them to, and I'll put half, and I'll just glue them right on the firewall, right behind them.
Yeah, you can do that.
We'll see. You'll like
You
it.
got a standoff in there,
Yeah.
so you're going to have to
So, standoff.
shut the standoff and you put something behind it.
Well, the firewall, it's way over here, so it's not going to interfere. I just got to get the prop off and the cowling off and go to town. That way I'll just leave
that
the...
is really neat.
Yeah.
Let me borrow that.
Well, it's a little over 3 ounces. Yes, sir. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I forgot to turn off the video.
Oh, now you got it going.